So today is the day. Today is the day that we launch the new and updated official AOR guide to hand reflexology. And as it's now available to buy, we're offering you a great introductory offer. This guide is packed with information, and it's been written for those who want to know more about hand reflexology. And in the guide, it covers all the basic hand reflexes for all the body systems. We've got lots of different reflexology sequences for common conditions, such as improving sleep, stress, anxiety, and plenty more. We have a full taster treatment as well, and aftercare advice for clients. But what makes this guide really unique is the fact that we have got videos throughout the guide. And these videos just demonstrate all of the reflexology that you need to know. So you can watch, it's going to make your learning easier. You can even work alongside it till you feel confident enough to use it with clients. This guide is now available. If you want to know more, if it's something that you'd be interested in but want to know a little bit more or to buy it, then just click the link above.